program contains coarse language that may be unsuitable for children under 14 years of age. Viewer discretion is advised.
Man finds magic pants, and every time he reaches in his pocket, he finds $5. At the end, he finds out it was his bank giving him all the money, and he becomes broke. Man goes to his therapist's office to talk about allegations of sexual assault. A man in a mental hospital finds out he's the only man on earth after he wakes up. Kid falls off table after neglectful mother. An author cannot figure out a story. He has writer's block and goes through all the stories, and at the end kills himself. Another author is writing an anthology novel and gets shot.
Yeah, check it. Yeah. Destroy your foes with the curse of recital. Like the new world order taking on titles. Can't step the code or the magic is dark. Swimming with the fishes, then you're eaten by sharks. Sacrifice been made, yeah, I'm hungry for money. This is cutthroat redemption, boy, you ain't my homie. You don't know me from the past, why you pretend? If you know me right now, then you know it's the end. I could care less about the BS that you believe. I don't care about your image like a blind man sees. This is honest truth like a book of braille you feel. This is just a bad habit, just keeping it real. I could care less what a motherfucker thinks of me. When and how any motherfucker does shit for me. You don't like my lyrics, you can suck my dick. Delusional as fuck, that's why you ain't never been shit, bitch. I'ma roll with the team, have a fucking party. Got a record deal like a joint Illuminati. Yeah, about to have a party.
Got a record deal like a joint Illuminati.
I'ma roll with the team, have a fucking party. Got a record deal like a joint Illuminati. Yeah, about to have a party.
Got a record deal like a joint Illuminati.
See, I've lived through hell, so I'm on the ground raised. I'm the fallen angel that makes you be amazed. A king of my craft and a queen in my coat, and I follow 9 cents.
Put shields in your throat.
A vampire by night, alone with all day. My thirst for revenge, your blood in every single fucking way. I'm a classic act with a knife intact. I will subtract to those distracted, don't know how to fucking act. I'm a piece of art that bled his heart, a fresh new start that has no heart, and also embrace the dark. I'm a hero turned villain cause I action the time. You don't know me, motherfucker, you don't test my mind. And I dare any motherfucker come and challenge me. Then your last image posted will probably have to be you're full of shit and a hypocrite, Marcus bitch, a piece of shit with no more life to grip. I'ma roll with the team, have a fucking party. Got a record deal like a joint Illuminati. Yeah, about to have a party.
Got a record deal like a joint Illuminati.
A channel for adults.
Hold on. Let me vape my pen.
A channel with sexy shows.
I am going to ride my pony to the Newtown Road.
Hey man, I got your pants.
Felt like it was time.
A channel that is laid back.
You got a talent that is unmatched.
Oh my god, turn the camera off. Turn the camera off.
Drake Lloyd Adult Sim.